In this video, we are going to review how to download the practice files for Revit. So in your book on page 15, and that's Roman numeral 15, so it's XV, you are going to want to type in the following website, and I'll show it to you in just a minute. Okay, so you'll see it up here. It's also in your book. Hopefully your book isn't different than mine. If it is, type in the number that you see in your book instead of the one that you see in mine. Okay, so we're going to go to that, and you'll see downloadable files. You're going to want to click download file, and it will take just a minute for it to download right here. Once the file is downloaded, you can click on it, and then I'm going to double click on it, and what I want to do is I have to hit extract all files because right now this is a zipped file, so I'm going to hit extract, and then you want to create a folder on your computer or on a zip drive or flash drive that's called Revit. So let me just do that, then I'll show. Okay, so I've made a folder called Revit, and I'm going to now hit extract. And that'll just take a couple minutes to do, and then I'll open another file. Okay, so then I'm going to go back to that folder I made, that Revit folder, and then you see it has this Revit 2018 Architectural Fundamentals in here. This is an application. This is a little different than usual. I'm going to have to double click on that and then click Run. Then I'm going to need to browse again for my folder where I saved this. So I'm going to go back to my Revit folder. And then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click unzip. So that is going to unzip that entire application and pull out all the files that I need. So now it says my disk is full, and this is actually good that this happened because I'll show you how to solve this if this happens at home. So what I have to do is I need to go to my computer, and I want to go into my downloads file, and I need to delete everything in my downloads folder. And doing that is going to free up space. So now I can go back to my Revit folder that I had, run it, browse for it, put it back in there, Revit, say OK, and then unzip. And it'll just take a few minutes. Okay, so now all of my files have downloaded, and I'm going to use these files throughout the textbook, and you're going to see we'll use them a little bit later. So that is how you download all the files. Again, that's on page 15, XV of your textbook for the detailed instructions. If you have questions about this, please contact me.